Kevin Santiago.
Bola mapupunta sa mga maputi. Pass to Francisco Agud, who gets the ball. Jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number 24. On the pass, intercept. Pick up. Jersey number 16. 3 seconds violation. Narciso, jersey number 22. Pass to jersey number 21. Eloy, kick out pass. Takes 3, no good. Out of bounds. Hoops ball. Jersey number 24. Pass jersey number 6, takes 3. Rebound jersey number 22. Pass to Ladvania. No good. Good back, good for 2. Jersey number 18. Jersey number 16. Jersey number 22. Hesitate pass to jersey number 21. Takes 3. Air ball. There's the whistle. Committed foul by jersey number 2. Jersey number 24. Arnovic. Pass to Rani. Jersey number 16. No good. Yes. Essie. Pass to jersey number 23. Jersey number 23. 15 second shot na. Intercept jersey number 6. 3-on-1 situation. Pass to jersey number 16. There's a dribbling. Pass, intercept. White ball. Itong alaga ng 50. Jersey number 22, Narciso. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 32. Raimundo. Nakakuha ni jersey number 23. No good. Nakakuha. Nagagawa. Nakisali ang pusa. Kanino pong alaga to? Yung alaga nyo. Pamunas.
Napod na nga sa...
Ano kami? Ano sila siya? Parang hindi tayo mental. Back to the ball game. Jersey number 24. Kenneth. Our score all 2. Takes 3, no good. Rebound jersey number 23. Looking for their guard. There's a whistle. Committed. Double 3 ball.
Shout out Ron Litwas Junior.
Hoops ball.
Mi idolo, Ultimo.
Jersey number 6. Receive and Kluger with Hornfield. Jersey number 21. There's a whistle. Who's foul left? Jersey number 16. Litwas Rani. First personal foul, first game foul. Whoops. Jersey number 21. 10 seconds shot lock. Wait for 2. Jersey number 23. Now, Anti Marlins Catering Services. Jersey number 5. 4 shot. Who gets the ball? Jersey number 22. Pass to jersey number 21. Throw meeting in. Yurina. Good for 2. Jersey number 24. Arnovic. Stand by. Jersey number 16. Takes 3 points. Jersey number 22, Narciso. Setting up play. Pass jersey number 21. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. No good. Lithuania, no good. Against the ball, jersey number 16. Rick Ross. Rick Ross pass to Kenneth. No look pass to jersey number 5. No good. Rebound jersey number 23. Jersey number 23 looking for score. Good for 2. Jersey number 16. Pass to their guard. Arnabi. 15 to shoot. Jersey number 5 inside pass. No good. Second shot lock. 5. Second shot lock. Flores. No good. Against the ball. Raymundo. Pass to jersey number 22. Atlas. Oh. Time out. Whoops. Jersey number 24 calling the attention of his teammate. Pass to jersey number 6. The pass intercept. Pass to jersey number 21. Eloy. Bounce pass. Jersey number 22. Pass to jersey number 21. Takes 3. No good. Rebound. Pass to jersey number 24. 3 on 1. Intercept by jersey number 21. Pass to jersey number 23. Takes 3. No good. Lucas the ball. Jersey number 22. Jersey number 23. It's a traveling violation. Rani. Good for 2. Jersey number 16. Jersey number 22. Narciso. Pass to jersey number 21. Morley, second shot is set. Jersey number 24 flies, no good. Against the ball. Good for 2. Jersey number 12, Flores. Jersey number 21. Waiting for his teammate. 15 to shoot. No good. Rebound jersey number 6, outlet pass. 1 on 1. Tayo Balol. Ipinasa. Bola. Kaya jersey number 26. 3 on 3. Jersey number 18 fakes. Rise good for 2.
Nice. Sorry na.
Jersey number 24. 15 to shoot. Intercept. Jersey number 23 flies. There's a whistle. Committed foul by jersey number 24. Substitution. Second team foul. Hoops. 2 shots for jersey number 23. First try at the free throw line. Air ball. Second try. No good. Rebound jersey number 26. Narciso. 10 second shot now. Line violation. Yung back. Jersey number 7 pass to jersey number 6. Perimeter shot. Good for 2. Score 13-10. Jersey number 26. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. No good against the ball. No good. There's whistle. Pushing ball, jersey number 23. Marlins State Roots. Okay. Same ball. Third personal foul, jersey number 23 ng ating Marlins catering sa takes 3. No good. Rebound jersey number 26. Intercept. Jersey number 12, Flores. Pass jersey number 11. No good. Follow up, no good. Who gets the ball? Jersey number 22. Narciso. Intercept ng 2 shots, first try. Good. Time remaining. 1 minute and 35 for the Bulls in opening quarter. Second try. Good job. Jersey number 7, Clemente. 14, jumper now, good. Jersey number 26. Narciso zigzagging. Pass to jersey number 19. Jersey number 21, no good. Gets the ball, jersey number 6. Pass jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number. With breakthrough. Oh, jersey number 22. Jersey number 22. Pass to jersey number 19. Hesitate. Takes. No good. Jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 12. With breakthrough. Jersey number 12. Flawless. 49 seconds to play. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. No good. Tabigan sa kanila pa rin. Good point to jersey number 30 seconds. 25 seconds. Good breakthrough, jersey number 21. 19. 15, there's no shot clock. Jersey number 11, there's no reserve. Foul committed, foul by jersey number 21. First try. No good. 14 seconds remaining time to play for the first and opening quarter. Second try. No good. 10 seconds! Basag na lang yan mga kuisa! Jersey number 26. Jersey dribbling.